Hi, I'm Lee Bodette, and 2022 has been an absolute blast. We are so grateful for all of you and the members of the Sport Car USA family. Here's to an amazing new year and more Sport Car USA.
An enthusiast, candy store here, man. Totally awesome. I'm having a good time. I've only been here for 15 minutes,
Hi, I'm Lee Bodette, your host of Test Drive, brought to you by Sport Car USA. Seen here that's really got your eyeball?
I like the smoke shows they do out on the road.
There you go, as long as the cops aren't around.
Yeah.
One of our previous episodes, I drove a Hellcat Challenger, and I think I mentioned how it kind of set me back in my seat, and this will do it too, just like this. I think I just scared our camera guy.
This is the best event they've had so far.
All right, so tell us all about your Roadrunner.
Well, I bought it in 2006, 2004. It took 6 years to build it. My builder's right there. And it's won 3 times in Adirondack. It's won a few other trophies, and we call it the Purple Pig.